Today, guys, we're going to learn about volume. Volume is the measurement of how much space an object takes up. It is calculated using different formula based on the figure or the shape which you are measuring. We look at three different dimensions. We look at length, width, and or depth. They mean the same thing. Sometimes people call it width, sometimes people call it depth. And then we also look at height. As you can see, though, the three dimensions correspond to the axes in the coordinate plane or the coordinate grids that we just learned about. Length corresponds to the x-axis. Height corresponds to our y-axis, and width/depth will correspond to the z-axis, and that's the axis that gives it its third dimension. So there's this term called Big B, and we need to know what Big B is. So when you're working with volume, you may see a capital B in some formula. Big B stands for the area of the base of an object. I have highlighted them here in yellow. So basically, you need to calculate the area of the base of an object first. So Big B is our yellow area. It is a rectangle in this case, and we know that the area of a rectangle equals length times width. So here we have 5 times 4, which would be 20. So Big B would equal 20. So to calculate the volume, we simply solve using the formula. We've already calculated Big B, which is 20, and now all we have to do is multiply that times h, or our height. In this figure, our height is 6, so we multiply it times our area of base, which is 20, and when you multiply that, you end up with 120 units cubed. And that's how you calculate the volume for this figure.